G'day folks, today's session, what's in a first aid kit? A first aid kit is governed by both state and federal regulations in Australia. As you can see, first aid kits come in all different varieties and sizes and shapes. So what's the most perfect one for your workplace? And what about all the stuff? What is it all used for? Well, let's go through it. Let's break it down. Well, for starters, let's look at Band-Aids. Comes in a number of varieties, plastic and fabric, even some special ones in the food industry. Wound and injury management with specialized wound bandages, eye patches, things like gauze swabs to treat a bleed or put some ointment on, some non-adherent bandages that don't stick, especially if you've got a severe cut. Some antiseptics like an antiseptic spray, some masks that you can use for doing CPR, storage marks for all your used sharps, a notepad in order to make notes of the things that you've done, thermal blanket to keep people warm, also some gloves. Don't forget to treat with gloves on. You need a barrier, a burn aid gel to treat a burn, a splinter probe to take out splinters. Kits come with some scissors to cut bandages off, and some come with thermometers so that you can take temperature. Also, some wound closures for some small little injuries, as well as some antiseptics like Povidone and also alcohol-free cleansing wipes. Let's take a look at saline for cleaning out your injuries or even things in your eyes, and of course can't go past those ice packs. Let's also look at some safety pins. So my question is, are you aware what device or what piece of equipment you would use in order to treat your injury? First of all, let's have a first aid kit. Second of all, check the dates on the items. See that the dates are all compliant. So for example, the use by date should not be exceeded. Make sure that if you've got stuff in your first aid kit that is opened, so some bandages are open, packaging is torn, saline caps have been twisted off, throw that out. Start again, get another piece, get another bit of equipment. Your first aid kit should always be fully stocked, and ideally all the items should be compliant, as in they should all be up to date and they should all be in good working order. The regulations or the code of practices tell us what we need in our first aid kits. Generally relates to in the workplace, but at home, in your car, on your camping trip, on your holiday, what about a first aid kit there? We are fully stocked, and if you like the information about first aid kits or any other information we put on, please subscribe to our channel, as well as hit the like button, and we'll see you next week.